For the benefit of our participants, we are providing you with an ebook, Basic Hands-on IoT Experiments, which is a guide to help you perform basic Arduino-based IoT use cases. Here, we are going to build a miniature demo of a connected car with 4 sensors. An LDR sensor-based automatic lamp control system in your headlights. So the headlights go on when there is darkness, and when there is a light, the headlights go off. A temperature sensor based automatic cooling system. So whenever the engine heats, the cooling system is activated to cool down the engine. An ultrasonic sensor based automatic reverse braking system. So whenever a person is reversing the car and an obstacle is very close, the brakes will be automatically activated and the impact will be avoided. And a motion sensor based theft security system. So whenever there is a malicious movement around the car, the alarm or the buzzer will ring. These are the 4 experiments related to the connected car. The equipment that you will need to buy to perform these experiments are a Arduino Uno with USB cable, 4 sensors, the motion sensor, LDR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and an LM35 temperature sensor. You will need a buzzer. You will need a DC motor and a propeller fan. You will need a few LEDs, a breadboard, jumper wires, about 10 jumper wires male to male, 10 jumper wires male to female, 10 jumper wires female to female, and 1 kilo resistors for the circuit. This is the equipment that you will need to purchase to perform these hands-on experiments. If you follow the steps given in the ebook, you will be able to successfully complete the IoT use cases given in the ebook. The ebook is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, there are experiments to get the Arduino set up and running. Whereas in the second part, we will actually be interfacing sensors with the Arduino. We will start with the Hello World program, where the Arduino is connected to the IDE on your computer, and we will test whether we are able to send executable files to the Arduino. This will ensure that the Arduino is ready to work with our computer. We will then perform some experiments like blinking the LED pin on the Arduino, connecting LEDs on the Arduino and making it blink, using the breadboard and extending the LED to the breadboard to make it blink. Then we move to the second part, where we will actually be interfacing sensors with the Arduino. We will start with the LDR and connect it to the LED. So the LED blinking will depend on the intensity measured by the LDR. We will then connect the temperature sensor and connect it with the motor. So as the temperature keeps getting hot, the motor will start to rotate. So if there is a cooling mechanism associated with the motor, it will get activated. With the motion sensor, if there is some movement around the motion sensor, the alarm connected to the Arduino will go on and start to buzz. And the last experiment is with the ultrasonic sensor. As soon as impact or an obstacle is detected, the motor which is running will stop. Thus, with the four sensors, we will be implementing the four use cases of the connected car. I wish you good luck in trying out these use cases with the Arduino and the sensors.